Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to update the firmware on your GoPro Hero 9 Black using the GoPro software on your phone, so check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. If you're new here, we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Today we're going to be showing you how to update the firmware on your new GoPro Hero 9 Black. Now we're going to be using our phone to do this with the GoPro app. It's really easy to do, but you want to make sure your firmware is updated so that it's running properly and you get all the features. So let's jump on over and show you exactly how this is done. All right, so the first thing you need to do is make sure that your GoPro is turned on and you have the GoPro app installed on your phone. Let's go ahead and open up the GoPro app. And what we're looking for in the bottom left-hand corner, you're gonna see a little icon here that looks like a camera. If we click on that, it's gonna go to the connection screen where you can connect your phone to your GoPro. Now, you'll already see that there is a GoPro Hero 8 there, and that's actually the camera that I'm filming this video on, but we wanna connect this GoPro Hero 9. So in the top right-hand corner, you are gonna see a little plus sign. You can go ahead and click on that. And that's gonna put your phone into searching mode, but it's not gonna find our GoPro yet because our GoPro is not in the pairing mode. So what it's gonna do is bring up this whole list of different GoPros. And if you're connecting an older GoPro, you can select one of those, but we're trying to connect the Hero 9 Black, which is the one at the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and select that. And it's actually gonna play a little video of how to connect our GoPro to our phone. So the first thing it wants us to do on our GoPro is actually swipe down from the top, and it's gonna bring you into the menu system. From there, it wants us to swipe from right to left. So we'll do that. And that's gonna bring up this menu. And we're looking for the option here that says connections. So go ahead and tap on connections. And right here, there's an option that says connect device. So we wanna select connect device. And you're gonna see an option here that says GoPro App. And that's the app we're using on our phone. So click on GoPro App. And once you get to this screen here, on your phone, you can go ahead and hit the continue button. So the continue button's right here at the bottom. We're gonna click on that and it's gonna say searching for camera, and they're gonna start connecting here. Let's see what happens. There you go, it found our GoPro Hero 9 Black. If it's not your camera, you can click on not your camera, but otherwise go ahead and click on connect. And it's gonna start connecting our phone to our camera. Connection successful, you'll see that over here. And over on this side, it wants us to name our GoPro. So I'm just gonna click on there. It needs to be at least 8 characters long. So we're gonna just type in Ken Hero 9. And you can name this whatever you like, but that's what I'm gonna name mine. And so a minimum of 8 characters, and I believe up to 32 if I remember correctly. We can go ahead and click Save New Name here. And once you've done that and it's connected, it tells me that I need to update my camera, or a camera update is available. So it knows what firmware is in my GoPro. And I wanna go ahead and click on update camera right here. So we're gonna do that. And it's gonna tell you all the features that are in this new version. Again, click on update camera. And it says reconnecting to Ken Hero 9. I'm gonna hit connect here at the bottom. It says connection is successful. Make sure you read through the firmware license here, and then you can click on accept and continue at the bottom. And you can see here it says transferring files to Ken Hero 9, and you can see over here it says downloading update. I'll just let that do its thing and upload all the files to the GoPro. And now you can see it's installing the update. Installing update, please toggle off and on your phone's Wi-Fi. So you can see that shutting down. We're just gonna swipe down from the top, turn our Wi-Fi off, and then turn it back on. And just say, got it. And we'll just let this do its thing there. And you can see it says update complete over here on the GoPro. And you are done, and it's that simple to update your firmware on your GoPro Hero 9 Black. So hope this video was able to help you out in getting your firmware updated on your GoPro Hero 9 Black. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all the links below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.